Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to organize YouTube playlists for offline-like viewing. Now, to organize YouTube playlists for an offline-like experience, create a distinct hyper-focused playlists like workouts, podcasts, tutorials, whatever. Then download the entire list in the YouTube or YouTube Music app using YouTube Premium. So I'm gonna go back to my profile interface, scroll a little bit down, and hit try YouTube Premium for $0, right? So you can have a free trial instead of like paying upfront and relying on a giant watch later queue, which easily becomes cluttered and hard to navigate offline. Break your content into slightly like specific categories. Open a video, right? And then tap the three dots. You can hit, instead of save to watch later, save to playlists, right? You can create that playlist, or if you have one already, then put it in the right category and name it based on context if you're new, right? And basically, you need to subscribe to YouTube Premium so you can have access to download an entire list, right? With no ads, no interruptions, no like the normal things that you come across when you use the standard YouTube plan. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.